Hey guys, long time no see. It's been a little while since I've made a video and I'm sorry for that. I just had some other things in life I had to take care of. And had some free time this weekend to make a video. So I decided to show off one of my new favorite fans. A 36-inch D.E.M.C. either commercial or industrial ceiling fan. I'm not sure how these were advertised. I'd like to think it was commercial, but I could be wrong. So, this little guy is from September 3rd, 1983, as you can see by the sticker here. Now that's a proper date code. Every other fan company should learn from that. I like knowing the exact day my fans are made on. This fan I got new in box, and normally I don't say where I get fans just because some people can get really upset when they find out a fan they've been wanting to buy has been bought from underneath them, or I don't know, they think of some crazy reasons to be angry. So, and then a lot of the times I just do it out of respect to the seller, just for their privacy, of course. But this came from several of these new old stock fans off of eBay, and I couldn't help myself when I saw this one. I've always wanted the little 36-inch one. And weirdly, I like these better in white than brown, but if I had the money, I would have snagged the brown one, but I didn't bother. One was plenty for me. So we'll get it started here on low, and we'll see how it does. So I've had this fan running for a couple hours today, and I've had to definitely put some oil in it because, ooh, these bearings were not happy when they came out of the box. Has an ever so slight wobble to it, but not bad. I will say this, it's arguably one of the noisiest industrials. There is no sound insulation on this thing. Not that there normally is, but you know what I'm saying. All right. Give it about a quarter of a turn, that's when it makes a noticeable change in speed. I have to say, on low, I was already feeling a good breeze. This is quite a potent little 36-inch fan. Yeah, this particular fan really scratched an itch. I've always wanted one of these D.E.M.C fans. There's something in particular about these little industrials that I just love. And the fact that this is new in box, that was just icing on the cake. Yeah, I'm getting a pretty good breeze now. I like that. Yeah, this is the kind of fan where I would reorganize parts of my display just so this can have a permanent spot in it. That's how much I love this little fan. And I don't know why, I've never seen one of these in person, and if I have, I wouldn't have known about it. And I have to be honest, I've never seen this style of canopy on it before either. I'm more used to the ones that have the wider but flatter ones. I think they're still plastic though. Oh. Yeah, with the weather warming up, I can spend some more time out here now. I'll come out here and it's barely 30 degrees. All right, let's move it up a little more. That's funny, this little guy keeps accelerating even long after I've set the speed. It's kind of, likes to take its time, so to speak. Ooh, now we're really starting to take off. Yeah, that's a nice cold breeze. That's not quite high yet either. Now we're on high. Now it really takes off. Not quite Caribbean breeze levels of fast, but honestly, it feels like it's a better air mover. No offense to the poor Caribbean Breeze. It's no slouch either, though. This little guy really whips on high. And it was not doing this when I was first pulled it out of the box. This little guy definitely needed to run and stretch its bearings. Sounds like they've gotten quieter, too, which is good. Yeah, for a 36-inch fan, it's doing a really good job of both pushing a lot of air and spreading the air. Kind of a rare combo with industrials, because normally you have to have ones with curved blade to pull that off. I'm so happy I have this. Let's do spin down, shall we? Keep spacing out and just drooling over it, and I'm just so happy I have this fan. Like I said, I've had no personal experience with D.E.M.C branded fans. I've never seen one before in person. Only time I would have is at a collector meet, or if I did see one in person, I wouldn't have known about it. But this one's definitely going to be a healthy runner after using it a few times. And even though this is my spot where I like to hang big industrials, I'm going to be hard-pressed to find one I really want to hang in place of this little guy. Spin down shouldn't take too long. The bearings still need to warm up a little more and need to put a little more oil on them, and then it should be 100% ready. All right, let's do 0 to high. A lot of inertia with those thick steel blades. It definitely takes a few seconds to get up to speed, but it's not unreasonably slow. Yeah, compared to my other 36-inch industrials / commercials, the Baby Gold line, the Caribbean Breeze, the Can Arm, and the Dayton / Marley, I want to say this beats all of them in terms of pure air movement. This is quite a little monster. The Caribbean Breeze, I don't know though, that's pretty much tied with it. That's also an extremely powerful little fan. And obviously that's still on my display. That's been hanging for a solid 5 years now. And speaking of, it will be a little while before I get around to making a display video. I still have a lot of things to take care of, and I just don't have time to run around and change things out. Or get it to a point where I feel comfortable enough to show you guys it's different enough. Things like that. But anyway, there you have it. The D.E.M.C 36-inch fan. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.